So this is our project. We have chosen the task one, which is an automated research and trigger finder. So what we had to do in this project is we had to scrape data from various sources and to analyze the competitors for specific advertisement. So in this project we have made a login screen, as you can see, and this is the part where we have done the scraping of every platform. So this is the script for scraping the data from Google. So as you can see, we have used SERP API. Then for Quora, we have used Selenium WebDriver to scrap the data from Quora, and for Reddit, we have used Pro for getting the data from Reddit comments and Reddit users, and for YouTube as well, we have used Selenium. So in YouTube, we would also get the links of the top five YouTube videos of a particular search, and this is for the part of web scraping. And for the for the front end, we have used React. Um, this is the login page of our application. So as you can see, we have made this login page, and if you log in, uh, if you log in into our page, it would take you directly to the home page where you can upload the product details or the details that you want from our web scraping tools. So login success, as you can see. Uh, then if I write, I have to enter my query for this. I write online gaming and say I write a few keywords such as PUBG, Valorant. Okay, I have wrote two keywords for it, and if I if I click the button of searching, so it will search through the internet, and as you can see here as well, it is scraping the web using various scripts that we have written. It will scrape through Quora, Google, Reddit, and YouTube, and in return it will give us the details that were told in the um, told in the uh, that were told in the task. So the four things that we needed. It should scrape the data from blogs, social media, and other things. And the other thing, it was necessary that we have to provide a reference dashboard for everything. So once the searching is done, it will show you a dashboard where everything could be seen. For example, the CTAs or the hooks that you need, the hooks that other competitors use to gain clicks over their videos or their particular data. And as you can see, it is loaded. So for the thing that I searched was online gaming. You could see where CTAs were: download now, play for free, join the community, claim your reward. These were the things that were most heavily clicked on. And we have also scrapped 5 YouTube videos, the top 5 videos. If you click here, it will also take you to the videos. And we have also implemented best hooks. So what best hooks does is it is used by people to get the most amount of attraction from them, or most amount of clicks from them. And the pain points of the pain points are also written here. So the social isolation and loneliness, cyberbullying and toxic online communities, everything we have got. And the sentiments are also laid out. For example, there were 5 positive, neutral were 0, and as you can see, negative was much higher than what positive were. And we have also implemented triggers. So what triggers online gaming community? and we have used word cloud as well. So for word cloud, it stores in the local database. As you can see, we have few examples. Just a second. As you can see, the word cloud is made here of few of the examples that we did for foods and all. And yeah, that's it for our project.